5 o'clock. It is time now for the Whatever Magician with PJ Wiggins. The Evening Report. Thursday, September 12th, 2013. Good evening, everybody. Current conditions at 5 o'clock in Norton, Massachusetts. 76 degrees with a temperature with a humidity of 79%. Wind speed south 10, gusting 18 miles per hour. Barometer 29.77 inches. 2.69 degrees, visibility of 7 miles, and a heat index 77 degrees. Alright, let us take a look at our little radar scope around, and it shows.
Where it is absolutely delightful right now, Liz, and you can see the.
And it shows a couple of little.
Of course, Harvey, what's going to happen?
Pockets of isolated showers and a few storms around Worcester, and another batch of rain showers around New Haven. And in the north and west of us, a big line of showers and thunderstorms lining up from Maine through central New Hampshire and almost down through Vermont and down through east through New York, stretching another batch line of rain showers from central New York, stretching down to central Pennsylvania, and eastern Pennsylvania, stretching down into Maryland, down to the Baltimore, Washington, D.C., border, and then down to northern Virginia. Another batches of rain showers and storms around the Buffalo area, and a couple stretching down into northwestern Pennsylvania, and another line of rain showers from southwestern Pennsylvania around Pittsburgh, stretching down through central West Virginia, down into eastern Kentucky, down through Tennessee, and a couple of popcorn clusters of showers and storms from southern Virginia down from North Carolina and South Carolina down to eastern Georgia. Another popcorn cluster of showers off the Carolina coast and off the Florida coast and Georgia coastline. Another batch of rain showers in central
before any of the downpours occur.
Florida, and a big blob of showers and storms in southern Missouri, down for Arkansas, down for Oklahoma, and down for Tennessee.
Just past 5 o'clock. Of course, game time is 8:30.
And a batch of showers and storms in central Michigan, and a batch of showers and storms on Lake Michigan off Chicago. Another line of batches of rain showers in central Wisconsin coastline here. In eastern Wisconsin off the Lake Michigan coastline. And another line of rain showers in southern Quebec, down in central Quebec, and in northern Ontario. And a line of rain showers and storms in northern Maine and northern Mexico, covering Texas with popcorn clusters of showers and storms in Oklahoma, and a line of showers and storms in eastern Arizona, down through New Mexico, down western Kansas, down through Colorado, down to southwestern Nebraska, down through Wyoming, down through southern Montana, and down into northern Utah, down to northern Nebraska, Nevada, down to central Nevada.
To put over top of you just in case those storms do hit the stadium before the game is over.
Okay, let us take a look at our little satellite loop. Shows a couple of line of clouds covering the eastern Canada and New England, stretching down into New York and Pennsylvania, stretching down through Ohio, down into Indiana and Illinois, down from Missouri, down to Kansas, stretching into Colorado, down into Wyoming, down into southern Montana, down from central Idaho, down to eastern Washington, Oregon, down from Nevada, down to Utah, down for Colorado, down for Arizona, western Texas, and into Oklahoma. Another batch of clouds from Oklahoma, stretching from Arkansas, down for Tennessee, down to Kentucky, down through the middle Atlantic States into New England. And in Atlantic Canada, another batch of clouds in northern Georgia, down to eastern Tennessee, down for the western Carolinas. Another batch of clouds off the Carolina coast and Georgia coast on southern Florida, and into Mexico. Here. Alrighty. Okay. Take a look at the tropics here. It's now Tropical Depression 10. Movement 6 miles per hour, 270 degrees, wind speed 35, gusting to 45, pressure 1003 millibars. And it's now situated northeast of Veracruz, Mexico. Here, tropical storm Gabrielle, movement 8 miles per hour, 350.
That's the one, and that's the one too expected to commence.
Degrees, wind speed 40, gusting 50, pressure 1008 millibars, and it's gonna become a tropical storm and a tropical depression, and gonna bring a few rough season whip currents to the New England coastline. And Humberto, movement 14 miles per hour, 350 degrees, wind speed 85, gusting 105 millibars, pressure 982 millibars. Tropical depression 16, movement 5 miles per hour, 325 degrees, wind speed 30, gusting 40 miles per hour. Okay, hazardous weather outlook here. Day 1 this afternoon tonight, there are low probability of some few strong thunderstorms with gusty winds tonight. And days 2 through 7, no hazardous weather is expected at a time. And this is the graphic. Showers and thunderstorms may become widespread overnight as scattered showers and thunderstorms over southern New Hampshire and West Massachusetts become more numerous late this evening and in the overnight hours. Check out these 3 different computer models simulating what the radar will look like at 11 p.m. tonight. The NNM radar will look like it'll be showers and storms in Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, stretching into Boston points north down to central Worcester County and down into Connecticut and Rhode Island and New York City and Long Island. The ARU model shows a couple of rain, showers, and storms in Boston and Providence quarter, down into New Hampshire, down into Maine and Vermont, and into New York. And the HRR radar shows a couple of rain, showers, and storms in western Massachusetts, down into New York State, down to central Connecticut, down to New York and Vermont and New Hampshire. And the Patriots home opener at Gillette Stadium against the Jets. 8:30 p.m. start of the game. You'll be fine. 72 degrees, chance of storms. And 11:30 p.m. 73 to be thunderstorms. So there might be from now in the game and until the end of the game there could be a few thunderstorms pop around. So have the rain gear you in this case. Okay, 7-day forecast goes like this. Tonight, showers and thunderstorms beginning before 4 a.m. Then showers and thunderstorms, possibly a thunderstorm after 4 a.m. Some storms produce heavy rain, patchy fog after 11 p.m., low around 66 degrees. South wind about 5 to 10 miles per hour, becoming light southwest after midnight. Chance of precipitation is 9%, new rainfall amounts between a quarter and a half inch possible. Friday, showers and possibly a thunderstorm before 11 a.m., then a chance of showers. Then the storms could produce heavy rain, patchy fog before 9 a.m., behind your 67 degrees. Northwest wind about 3 to 7 miles per hour, chance of precipitation is at 80%. New rainfall amounts between a tenth and a quarter of an inch, 6 miles possible in thunderstorms. Friday night, a slight chance of showers and before 9 p.m. part of cloud will low on 50 degrees. Northwest wind about 7 miles per hour, chance of precipitation 20%. Saturday, most sunny skies under 70 degrees. Northwest wind about 7 miles per hour. Saturday night, part cloud clouds low on 45 degrees. Northwest wind about 3 to 5 miles per hour. Sunday, sunny skies under 71 degrees. Sunday night, part cloud clouds low on 51 degrees. Monday, skies sprinkles, most sunny skies under 32 degrees. Monday night, most clear skies low on 42 degrees. Tuesday, sunny skies under 66 degrees. Tuesday night, most clear skies low on 46 degrees. Wednesday, sunny skies under 74 degrees. Wednesday night, part cloud skies low on 49 degrees. And Thursday, most sunny skies under 79 degrees. Peters, what a phrase of the evening. Showers and thunderstorms on top for tonight. And Friday brings cooler weather. That's going to be for Weather Magician Evening Report. I'm Peters. I hope you have a good evening. I'll be see you at 11. Have a good day with a good positive attitude. And good evening. Bye-bye for now. Here.